Come cruising with the Clemons at Glacier National Park and experience September weather.
About 7,000 to 11,000 years ago. We're still looking at a giant woolly mammoth.
So, I've been talking about this place because of everybody's pictures online.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's pretty amazing. I mean, the pictures did it justice, so...
Yeah. We're lucky and the dark clouds kind of went away a little bit. And every once in a while the sun peeks out enough just so we can see the color of the rocks.
Yeah.
Which is probably not... Oh, but they're so colorful.
Yeah, it's not coming through on the camera very well.
No, because the sun's not out right now very well.
Here.
But it is quite beautiful.
It looks like this. That's what it really looks like.
It's pretty beautiful.
It is pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
There's people kayaking.
Yeah.
It doesn't get much cooler than that.
Nope.
Except for paddleboarding.
Alright, so we drove out to Polbridge today. I'm excited. I've been seeing people's posts on social media about Polbridge and the bear claws and the yummy bakery. So we're out here today. It's gorgeous. So we're gonna go get some bear claws. Check them out. So we're at Polbridge. There's no bear claws right now, so we're kind of waiting on that. So we had a breakfast sandwich, and they're like no joke, but like super good. I have a bacon, egg, cheese,
And hash brown.
and it's all baked in to the center of it. It is so good. And then Mark had a sausage, egg and cheese, or sausage, yeah, and hash brown.
Mm-hmm.
They're super good.
You're a happy boy.
Okay, so we had to wait about 40 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, 40 minutes.
To get them. They just came hot out of the oven. So here goes.
Oh, let me try.
Ugh.
Cooper,
They're as good as people say they are. Oh my god.
Try some?
Yep.
Cooper, can I try some?
Go away, B.
It's a volcano. Cooper, can I try
Oh my
some?
gosh.
That's a volcano that's going to...
How is it? Mm-hmm.
That was
Yep.
good.
We are cutting it up.
Get off, B. This is my dairy.
I know. Listen, B, we waited for this. We appreciate you doing the pollination, but this is our deal.
Yep, not yours, buddy. We know how to eat this and spread it.
All right, take a bite. What do you think?
Come on.
Man, mine's more visible than yours.
That was good.
Right?
Yep.
Yep. All
That
right.
was really good. Worth the wait.
Are you boys gonna try?
I try it. Cooper's not.
Cut this little piece off for Bryce.
Yeah, I just want a small one. I don't think I'll like the berries. I tried huckleberry pancakes. I don't think I'll like
Well, this is better than the pancakes were.
Shoo, B, shoo.
That was a mess.
Smart. This is our plate. He wants mine. Mommy.
Eat it.
Oh.
Don't waste the huckleberries.
Oh my gosh.
How's it?
Oh,
Good.
man, never.
So Pole Bridge was awesome, but we wanted to hit the 2 lakes that are up north of that, here in the North Fork, and they're called Bowman and Kintla.
We think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if it's not.
But the road was closed, and we took the road anyway, and there was a sign and it said closed, so there's a ranger station, wouldn't let us up there. So that was unfortunate because they're supposed to be absolutely beautiful. But it's still worth going up to Pole Bridge and hanging out there, having a bear claw. The kids played badminton, and
The kids had a good time.
yeah, we had fun up there.
They have a dog on the property. They have several dogs on the property.
They have bear dogs on property,
Yeah.
so if you have your own dog, do not bring it out there because they said those dogs do get aggressive and they're there to protect the land, and your dog could be seen as like competition, so just don't bring them.
Yeah, so the one you saw in the video, the gentleman told us that he's the friendliest out of the litter.
Yep.
So he brings him up front, and everybody was loving and petting on him.
Yeah.
He was super nice. So
Yeah, all those dogs are born and raised on property.
yeah. So beautiful area. We stopped here at the river on the way back to just take a look, and because it's gorgeous here.
Yeah, look at the view.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Going the way they are. Some models are predicting that the rate of melting is still accelerating, so the loss of the last glacier.
All right, so the rains are setting in for like the next 2 days.
Yep.
So we're going to do a quick hike this morning. We're doing the Johns Lake Loop.
Yep. Johns Lake Loop. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, she didn't have to touch the wood going over.
I did gymnastics. And I can't jump that high.
All right, guys, we just got back from the Johns Lake Loop Trail. It is 1.9 miles.
Yep.
It was absolutely gorgeous. It's the best way to see McDonald Falls
Yeah.
and McDonald Creek. You get amazing views of McDonald Creek.
Yeah. That alone itself is worth the hike right there. But I'll be honest, the lake itself, it's not the most beautiful.
Yeah, Johns Lake was cool.
It was cool, but I mean, when you have a bunch of glacier-fed lakes here, it doesn't compare. But the forest to the lake and after the lake was like another world.
Yep.
It just, I kept looking for an Ewok to pop out at any moment. That's what it kind of felt like.
Looked like we were in Endor.
Yeah, yeah. And then when we crossed the bridge, which is beautiful all on its own by, I can't remember the name of those falls.
It's Sacred Dancing Falls.
Yeah, Sacred Dancing Falls. You cross the river there, and that's just a beautiful area. And then the rest of the trail follows McDonald Creek all the way back to McDonald Falls, which if you stop on the road, you can't get a clear shot.
No, yeah, up top on the
going to the Sun Road.
Going to the Sun Road, you can't get a good view of it, and you can't get a good photo. But if you're on this trail, you can definitely see it. You get
can
right
stop
up close
right
to
next
it.
to it.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful short hike. We did it because, like we said earlier, the rains are coming today, so we wanted to get out and do something before we're stuck inside for the afternoon. So beautiful hike, highly recommend.
All right, if you're staying in West Glacier, be sure to check out this place, Perfect Cut Meats. It has some delicious custom, it's their own butcher shop in there. That's all they do. They smoke their own fish. They make all their own cuts, and they got some delicious stuff in there, as you can see. You know it's cold because I got a jacket on and gloves. It's got to be cold. It's in the 30s. So we just had some sleet, some freezing rain on us. But we want to go see Hidden Lake.
I go.
Does anybody else want to see Hidden Lake? No. Resounding no's from everyone. So we just talked to some people, and they said right up this hill is some snow. So now the kids are excited about the trail.
Hey.
We gotta go a little bit further.
Snow changed their mind about coming on this trail.
It's cold. I need more layers. See the clouds going through.
Coop, it cleared up for a second. There's snow right up ahead of us. Here comes the next cloud to devour us.
Okay. We're in Glacier National Park and it's snowing. Oh, mine.
Do you want to build a snowman?
It's bigger than my face.
Oh yeah.
I'm saying this for Dad.
Starting to stick to our jackets now.
That's good. Ready, guys?
Oh no.
Well, I might as well just make a snow angel now.
Yeah. We got big fluffy snow landing. Oh, look at this. All right, guys. It's Hidden Lake. I think we're done for today. Let's look this way.
Every once in a while we get a peek of the mountain and the snow, and that
Absolutely
makes it worth
beautiful.
it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Super pretty out here.
Oh, this little girl is cold.
Kennedy's Dunzo.
She's soaked.
Look at her little wet hair and her face. You're a mess.
Come on, sweetie.
The boardwalk's starting to freeze over, so we gotta get back to the car. one of the things that you're going to want to do when you come to Glacier is visit
The Trail of Cedars and
the Trail of Cedars.
yeah. And then we just got off the trail to continue on the Avalanche Lake Trail. So
Avalanche Trail is 2 miles one direction. It's 500 feet of elevation gain. And that's what we're on right now. You can see how excited Jen is.
it's cool. All right, it's beautiful. Don't miss.
Yep. All right, guys, so we ran into the ranger that we went to the other day for a ranger talk.
Yeah.
And we asked her, how far are we along the trail?
But prior to that, we asked other people, and we got half mile.
Yeah, 3/4 of a mile.
Right. So the ranger came around the corner about 2 minutes later, so we asked her, and
she said we were halfway, we were 1 mile in. So there's another mile to go. So it's interesting to survey people and how bad they are at guessing how far it is to
yeah.
go.
So, all right, we'll keep on going. What's been your favorite part about visiting Glacier?
There's a lot that we did, but probably one of my most favorites is Avalanche Lake. It was a very long hike, uphill and steep, but we made it to here, so it's all worth it.
Take care.
We saw some beautiful things along the way.
What about you, Coop?
My favorite is Hidden Lake because we got to go over a bridge. And I think the glaciers are pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay. What's been your favorite?
My favorite thing was probably playing in the snow.
Yeah, at Hidden Lake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.